If you are an Igbo man, you are an Igbo woman in this country, Nigeria, and you open your mouth and insult President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, thought that he's doing press up in Sambisa Forest for you. I came out here and I told you people that the federal government are not responsible for the hold down of Nnamdi. All of you said I was a stupid man. Did you read news when the president said he wanted to release Nnamdi? When I not read that, when I not going to read this, I know answer. When I not see, and he said the Igbo leaders came to him and said that you should leave him there. Oh no man, I the killer mo. You see how? When they tell una say the enemy of an Igbo man is an Igbo man, I don't know. I'm an Igbo man. I only marry from Igbo. Would it cause me an Igbo people? But I have been standing and praying for this Nnamdi for over 4 years. I go there pray, I go there scatter my prayer. Wicked Igbo leaders, some of the Igbo leaders. So if you venture open your mouth and you insult me on this video, you insult President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the thunder that will pay you visit is doing press up in Sambisa Forest with Boko Haram. That man is suffering because he wants to free his people. He's fighting for his people. What is your face of Nnamdi that Sunday Igboho did not commit? Sunday Igboho is back to his people. He's helping his people. A prophet that was sent to your land is languishing in detention. Some wicked, stupid, I don't know. Oh, I don't know what to say. They said that you leave him in the prison.
What the hell?
May God deliver all the Igbo people.
Oh God.
If una like, make una wake up very soon. They go start to the portion for different states. You never see anything.
Guys.
Don't know what. If I open my mouth, I tell you what I see in the spirit. Una break go correct.
Guys, don't be juju be that.
Very soon, all the states in Nigeria will start to the portion now. Since you people cannot go and develop your region and fight for your leader.
Why?
Buy houses in other states. Go to your state now. 0/4. Go and develop your region and fight for the release of Mass Nnamdi. If that man die for that prison, hey, let me tell you, Igbo people will suffer in Nigeria. If Nnamdi die in that, write this prophecy down. Save it, oh. This is how I talk to people. You be using my word to play. Say I'm a stupid prophet, and everything when they talk, they see how it happen. If that man dies inside that detention, Igbo people will suffer in Nigeria. You will see it. You see, I tell you.
What the hell?
The only savior you have now is Mass Nnamdi. When I go bring him out, if I not bring him out before this year, and if that man cross, stay there enter next year. So guys, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is one of the best presidents we have in Nigeria because he has fight to release Nnamdi. You people came and said no. I insult that man. If I hear that from my mouth, I will not do.
Why?